How to find all of your archived workflows in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all of your archived workflows in n8n in under a minute. So for that, the first thing that you need to do is simply launch your n8n instance, and after launching your n8n instance, go to the overview. Under overview, you will see workflows. Now you can see that these workflows are only those which are unarchived. So, and you cannot see anywhere the option to check the archived workflows. So it is because it is hidden inside this filters button. Click onto this filters button, and from here you will see this toggle that says show archived workflows. Simply tick this up and you are all set. Now from here you will see this particular archived workflow which had already been archived and was not visible earlier. So that's how easily you can do this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.